No. Sheesh. And everything. No way. How did it come off? Yes, sir. Feels good out today.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How's it going? Sheesh, this thing's clean. Yeah, bro, it's nice. Hey, you got your chin mount coming or no?
Yeah, fine.
Let's go.
Jeez, now I'm just waiting. What's up, man?
That came in quick.
I'm waiting on my mic to come in now.
Did you get Purple Panda?
Yeah.
Okay, good. They have good mics.
Yeah.
Damn, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make vids?
Yeah.
Let's go. That's gonna be hard. Let's go.
Now I can start sending you clips now. When
Yeah. That's facts. And the Alpine aren't out because they're so damn expensive.
Yeah, for sure.
GP Pro R3. We're gonna keep these gloves and just get these instead. Carbon wings on the R6.
Yeah.
Like they go right here. I think that would be hard. They'd be pointless, but it would look sick.
It would be pointless, but it would look sick. Make your bike look
Who cares? Yeah, I'll make it look faster.
That's 5 horsepower.
Oh.
I'll pick up another battery today.
Yeah, are you getting that at Best Buy? Honestly, I might, because I only have 2.
Yeah.
I might need a 3rd one.
Yeah,
So.
said that I might as well buy. They're only like $24, right?
Really?
No, I'm asking.
The batteries? I'm not sure. I was gonna look it up. I don't know. Because we really could go to Best Buy if you want one. Because I was thinking about getting one too. What are you shooting in 4K? Because there's a trick is you shoot in 2.7K at 60 frames per second, and then when you go to edit it, you edit it into 4K when you render it up. Because I was watching a video. That's how you save battery life.
It's $40.
Oh, I thought one was gonna be like a 2-pack's 40. I'm about to get 2 more then. Then I'll have 4.
Yeah, they got a few in stock up here in Greenville.
You trying to go to Best Buy?
Yeah.
Bet I'm gonna go. What did you just smack off me? Oh. Yeah. Alright, bet. Let's go, guys. We're getting some extra batteries. Because these batteries they die quick. And I'm trying to get this content for you guys. Let's go gas. So we're going to cruise with him for a little bit. Get batteries at Best Buy. And then we're going to hit the highway up to get to Best Buy. Maybe it's nice. I've been waiting, like you said, we've been waiting for a nice ass day. It's finally it's like 70 in like almost November, so it feels good, baby. Hope you all staying safe out there in the colder weather. Pavement's not as hot, so you gotta be more careful, especially with leaves and everything now. If you're a newer rider, watch out for them damn leaves, bro. I'm trying to slip out. Chick-fil-A, baby, had that shit for lunch after a nice chest and tries. Gotta get that protein in. Oh, I forgot to tie these freaking strings. Damn it, hope y'all don't hear it flapping. If you hear that flapping against the helmet, that's what that is on the hoodie. Idiots, bruh. There are a lot of people crashing down here. It's crazy. I know it's the best feeling when you're turning on the highway and you gotta look back. Hell yeah. It feels so weird tucking without a backpack. I'm so used to wearing a backpack because I can lift my helmet up more. It just feels a lot better. funny, someone asked what exhaust he had. He has no exhaust. He just took his muffler off. But he's waiting on a slip-on, I think. I'm hyped. If he makes a chin, I'm gonna be hyped. That'll be dope. We'll have him making a chin. Hopefully my brother makes one. And yeah, that'll be sick. Oh yeah, man. I haven't ridden like this whole week because I normally don't during the week because I'm just so busy with work and everything. Yeah, they're gonna pull over. No way, his chin mount fell off. Make sure not get any nails on my tires. For real. Damn, that's chalked. I'm not trying to get hit by a semi. No way. How did it come off? Dude, you're lucky you caught that. Wait, did you heat it up before you put it on? Yeah. Damn, I did too.
I've had it on for like...
What the fuck? Damn, bro.
I mean, I would think just, I would buy some more of that 3M adhesive.
Yeah. And cut it to it?
Yeah. Because that's freaking raw.
How did that just fall out? You're lucky you caught that. Did it come off at that turn right there? Did it come off around that turn?
Yeah. When I came around the turn, it was bending, and then when we straightened up, it fell.
Damn. What?
He caught that shit.
I know. I see it in his hand, like, what the hell? That's what I was scared about my first time doing that too, but that never happened to me. I think my chin mount's bigger than yours though. Like mine's like a bigger one. But I have a K6. Is that a K1? You have a K1, right? Oh, we have the K1s. Yeah, that's right. Huh? Yeah, the K1 has a bigger chin mount. Damn. You can't make that shit up. It's always something. You can't make that shit up. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, I see him. My brother to get a sheesh. Thing sounds good. My brother needs a 600 so bad. Yeah, you do. Why? That's weird. I don't know why. How does that even happen? How does that even happen?
I'm so pissed right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been riding with that shit for over a week.
Really?
Yeah.
That's annoying. Especially right when we start riding.
Right when we get ready, right when I actually need to use it.
Right. Right. It's wearing that. The day I don't bring a bag is the day I'm getting some. I might be able to take them out of the box and just throw them in my pocket, to be honest. Always gotta check yourself out in the reflection. Oh, that's a... This shit's hard to get over. Damn, here we go. So, the day don't bring a bag. So the day don't bring a bag, I'm getting something. The day we ride, chin mount falls off. Hey, damn. Yeah, so I got these Enduro battery, guys. I don't know, it says it lasts longer and wide temperature range, so they're white compared to the normal blue. So I don't know how much longer or how much better they're gonna run, but it was only 40 bucks for 2, so I'll take that. I need more. I only have 2 anyway, so got the whole crew, baby. Put these back.